I'm Kelly Anderson. I'm with Vancouver BMW Ducati. I'm the general manager there. BMW is helping sponsor this event as well. So thank you, BMW.
So this is where you practice that muscle memory. All the repetitions, going and going and going.
You know, to me, it's a huge thing for people to increase their skill set.